What's going on, guys? We made it back from Florida. It was a very, very long trip. We ended up having some traffic issues, and then by the time you stop, we drove 700 miles yesterday. It was actually 730 miles. We got home at like 12:30 last night. I got to bed at like 1:30, 2 o'clock. Got up this morning at 6:45. I'm struggling, but we're over here at the shop. We just got over here. The trailer is empty, as you can see, but behind me over there is we already got it opened up. The goal is to get everything moved out of that 24-foot trailer into this 30-foot trailer. So hopefully it's going to work out good. There's just a few things I was just finishing in this toolbox, getting some leftover parts and pieces out of there. But there's a lot of like good stuff in there I can see me using in the future, like nuts, bolts, self-tapping screws. Guys, also don't forget, head on over to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. We got some cool t-shirts. We got the cool flip coin. We're also doing a 25,000 sub giveaway. So make sure you go into that. It's free to enter into that. Just some things you can do to get points. And when you get points, at the end of 2 weeks, we're going to announce a winner. Milton came over to help out some too, so I appreciate it. So the first thing we got to do, we did there was a couple little sheet metal screws that were missing on the little ramps down there. These ramps are freaking awesome. We got a few things to do there. It's got, this trailer is freaking nice, guys. It is really nice. I got some nice banners we're going to put up from some of our sponsors that have helped us out with the race car this year. So we're going to start moving all of our stuff. We're going to move it from that trailer over to this one. I guess the first thing we need to do is to get power to this thing. So let's go. We're going to go grab the generator, hook it up over here. I had to go to the RV to grab all the little adapters because this one's got a 50 amp plug. And my little generator does not produce 50 amps. It only does 110. So we're going to stick it in, see if all these lights work, see if we can get this thing going. All right, so we have made progress. You can see this thing is the freaking, this thing's huge. This trailer is big. Although those cabinets quickly filled up, but we got a lot of room. We're thinking about pulling this thing in backwards to get it so that there's more weight on the motors down this way. But something I just thought about is with the weight on the tail end of the car, it's actually heavier in the back. No, it was with that amount of weight. No, it's about 100 pounds off. But we're getting close to getting this thing almost ready. We're not gonna be able to get it all done tonight just because it's getting dark and there is a lot of junk in this trailer. I mean, like, it is insane, the stuff that we're finding.
Treasure chest.
Milton said it's a treasure chest. That is old GT55 184 housing. That's actually John Bewley's housing. It's been in here forever. I don't know what he wants me to do with that thing.
Straps.
Bunch of straps, a couple wastegate parts. I need to sell those. Those are upper welding upper control arm brackets. So I bought those a long time ago and never used them. Some lines, some old rocker arms. These are the rocker arms that I had initially. This is some old NASCAR stuff, and they use a pin. It's kind of hard to describe, but see that dowel? That dowel goes into its neighboring rocker arm. This was the precursor to the shaft rockers. And so that holds it, and then it's adjustable up here just like a set of shafts. I broke, I think it broke one of these, because you can see it's a smaller diameter. I don't know if anybody could use those or not, but I need to probably try to sell those. We got spare tire, wheel bearings all over the place for this thing. And I got some stuff over there. We got a drill. There's a hub. We got to empty out this toolbox. Milton got most of this stuff from up here. We're going to have to go through a lot of it and see. There's a lot of stuff up here. It's just junk that I have just over the years just throwed up there. Like honestly, I got valve springs back there. I know, right? Ronnie, you're right. I need to throw it away. That's what we're going to end up doing to most of it. Like, that's my headlight wiring. Wow, dude. Like, that's an empty Wix box. Come on, why you need an empty Wix box? So I got a lot to do. That is a gear, so we got to get that gear. That's in that box there. With the coupler is transmission parts. So we still got a few things we got to get out of here. You know, this is an empty case. Was there anything in that? I think it was empty.
Yep, kind of heavy.
Would you look in and see what was in it? All right, this is like a treasure chest. What's in there? What can it be? Da-da-da. Oh, look, more straps. That needs to go into. We need to take those straps out. Take those straps out, and then we're going to use that. Leave that box in here. We're going to take those little straps and put it in the trailer.
Why not use this box for straps?
I'm going to use that box for because we got some places we can hang the straps. I'm going to use that box for like other little miscellaneous stuff. But we'll do that later. I ain't got time to deal with this stuff right now because it's getting late. I'm getting tired, and I am so tired already. Oh look, man, are you kidding me? I bent my oil filter wrench at some point. Yeah, we'll straighten that back out. I was wondering where it was though. I haven't cranked this car up in a while, so probably what I need to do first is drain the water off of the oil. It's dark, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt, so I'm not gonna show you all that. All right, guys, well, here we go. We got this thing loaded up. We just turned off the generator, so we ain't got but one light working. We gotta get some more lights, but it fits. We got plenty of room, and it's all in there. And you can see the front wheel is just barely at the front wheel over here. So I mean, most of the weight is over these axles. Well, we got some ton of weight with the golf cart. We may end up, no, I think that's probably gonna pull fine just the way it is. Parachutes on there with the weight bar. So we got plenty of room. Huh?
No more of that.
No more taking that thing on and off. And I mean, I can actually, this trailer is 8.5 foot wide. It looks like, I mean, we got plenty of room. Hey man, we can actually work on the car in here or something.
Yes.
A little bit more room. So we're strapped down, we're ready to go. We're going to the racetrack tomorrow night and going to test. So that's going to wrap it up, guys. So y'all go ahead and head on over to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Don't forget to get entered to win this cool custom clock made out of a connecting rod. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you don't mind, subscribe. We'll see y'all soon.